So this is a video on how to upgrade your RAM in your laptop. This is the Acer Aspire V3, and I'm going to be using DDR3 RAM. And you might be watching this because you've been told that Minecraft runs better with more RAM. So I'll be doing a later video showing the different FPS rates, or different FPS on 4 gigabytes compared to 8 gigabytes. So that should be interesting. Alright, so basically open the laptop. Each laptop is pretty different. Mine was pretty easy. It was just 2 screws and it popped right off. So basically you're looking for a little notch right there. And then you correspond that to your RAM stick, and you just stick it in at about a 30-degree angle, and then push it in a little bit so it's tight. Don't push too many pressure on it, and just place it down. There you go. Yeah, and then you have both these clips. They should be down. And basically, to get it out, you just pull these two apart and the RAM should stick right up. Alright, so stay tuned for my Minecraft video comparing 4 gigabytes of RAM to 8 gigabytes of RAM. Alright, thanks guys.